Hi everyone, today we're surprising Nico with a new remote control car. It's Brian's Toyota Supra from Fast and the Furious. Shh, we're gonna get him. Here he comes. Nico! Nico, come on downstairs. We got a surprise for you.
What is it?
What is it, Nico? What is it, Nico?
Fast and the Furious.
Fast and the Furious what?
First.
So from the first one, right? But what is it? What do you have?
Brian's car.
Brian's car, and it's a remote control car.
It's a remote control car.
What?
Can you guys open it?
Absolutely. Let's get that sucker opened. Daddy's gonna get that car open and we're gonna be able to try it.
And it won't be faster. It won't be faster than that brown car I have.
You don't think so?
No.
I do, because you know why?
Why?
It has a turbo boost. Nitrous. Just like the real drivers do in Fast and the Furious.
It's faster than that car.
I think it might be. Can you believe it?
Yeah. Let's try this big fella out. And here comes the remote control. Remote control.
Daddy's getting everything out.
Let's put it in the floor and we could race with that brown car.
We'll just do one at a time, okay?
How about we race with them?
How about we just try this first one?
I wanna race with them. Is it on?
Turn it on.